I am what child hunger looks like in America. I am a 9-year-old boy who hopes a friend invites me to a sleepover so I can have dinner. I am a 15-year-old girl who goes for walks during lunch, so my friends won't know I don't have anything to eat. I am a 13-year-old boy who gets into fights at school just because I'm hungry. I was created by artificial intelligence from faces of the 1 in 7 American children who struggle with hunger. Kids you pass by every day but never knew they were hungry.
Today I am going to be talking about food insecurity, but first here's my audience. I first learned about food insecurity in an ad I saw on YouTube, which made me think about a time when I had a friend who was experiencing food insecurity. He received a lot of help from my family and his community, which is why I have decided that food insecurity will be my topic to persuade others to help out these families in need. I am doing my speech on food insecurity to inform others about this topic and to show many solutions that there are to this problem, since not many people know that these people are experiencing food insecurity. Today I'm going to be talking about food insecurity. There are many families who are being affected by this problem, especially during this pandemic that has affected a vast majority of families on the globe. So I am going to be talking about how this has become a big problem and how it keeps getting bigger and bigger as more people keep coming to America. Food insecurity is a problem in America because there are a lot of households that cannot feed themselves. And these people also sleep hungry, which greatly affects a person's mentality, and it also affects a person's health. As stated by healthpeople.gov, some causes of food insecurity include low income, race/ethnicity, disabilities, and unemployment, which has greatly spiked during these 2 years since a lot of people have been unemployed due to COVID. Some solutions include donating to your local food bank, volunteering to your local food bank, or helping out your neighbors who are in need of food. And you can also donate to feedingamerica.gov, where they have helped over 40 million people each year. Many people throughout the whole globe are experiencing food insecurity due to their country not having enough food to give to their people, or it can also be due to the fact that people can't afford to pay their bills and buy food at the same time. However, since the coronavirus outbreak began, many families have lost their jobs, which has led them to food insecurity. Feeding America says that food insecurity can cause many problems to a child. For example, it can damage a child's ability to learn and grow. It can cause depression, anxiety, and ADHD. This is a major problem in society because now that many people have been losing their jobs, children have been negatively been affected. FeedingAmerica.org has mentioned that about 15 million children have been affected by COVID-19. Furthermore, food insecurity is a big problem for seniors as well. That is because it forces them to choose between buying food and critical health care that they need to live, since they need to live in a fixed budget. According to the National Council on Aging, some other things that seniors are at risk due to their poor nutrition includes diabetes, depression, high blood pressure, heart attacks, and asthma. Although children and seniors are some of the most vulnerable from our society, they are not the only ones who were affected by food insecurity. As reported by USAID.gov, while a lot of homes in America are food secure, minority groups are the ones who are greatly affected by food insecurity. It was reported that about 10.4% of households were insecure this past year. Although food insecurity has affected many families because of their lack of money, people can help these poor families out by following these simple steps. Food insecurity has been a major problem for years now since people can't afford to buy food and their bills, which leads them to go to bed hungry. One thing that we can do to help these people is by donating whatever we can to feedingamerica.org, where they distribute to the families in need. One thing you can do is donate to feedingamerica.org, where $1 can provide 10 meals. However, that is not the only thing you can do. By joining the monthly donor, you become someone that Feeding America can trust on to help families out. You will also receive exclusive information on hunger issues such as reducing food waste and improving summer meal programs for children. Another thing you can do is to stop this problem is donating to your local food bank. You can donate online or to your local food bank, mail in your check to the food bank, and you can call your local food bank. Another way you could donate is by dropping off the items you will be donating to your local food bank. Finally, you can also volunteer. You can volunteer in your local food bank where you can help sort and pack whatever items they have. You can also volunteer by helping your neighbors who are dealing with food insecurity by making sure they have the necessary materials they need in their everyday life. All of these actions can make you a hero to these people who are experiencing food insecurity. Food insecurity is a major problem in America because a lot of people who are experiencing this problem don't have enough money to keep up with their bills and groceries for their families. Although many of these people have jobs, they still aren't getting paid enough to feed their whole family. Many times a family goes through food insecurity due to their low income, race/ethnicity, unemployment, and the lack of knowledge, like education to get higher jobs. By helping out these families, you are becoming their hope. And even though you will never get to meet these families, you will forever be in their heart. Thank you.